Hello people, today we're at the Holiday Inn in Canning Town. I think it's the Holiday Inn Express, if I can remember rightly. But it's in Canning Town, it's across from the Sainsbury's. Anyway, this is a twin room. And of course we'll head straight to the beds and have a look. So yeah, I got a mattress protector on it. Mattress looks clean on that one. Please excuse me, I have got a stinking cold. And it's clean on that one as well. Even the headboards, as you can see, there's a bit of stainage there, if you can see that. So yeah, the pillows soft. Like, got these little lights that come out like that. Clever. And you switch them off by pushing them back in. We've got a socket there with USB and light. That one does that lamp there. And that headboard looks clean. We've got a window there out to the car park. Let's see if it opens, shall we? Yeah, opens fine. And then, no, just a wall. Curtains look clean. Just another wall. Right, magazine rack or letter rack, whatever. There. TV. Let's see if it works, shall we? Also, we've got a phone there, which tells you on there as well the numbers that you can ring front desk, room to the room, and local calls you contact from the desk. Yeah, there you go. It's called Holiday Inn Express Royal Docks. Right, let's see if the telly works, shall we? Yeah, it seems to. Just loading. Yeah.
Join Sky Mobile and get 99% network.
Yeah, works. Another double socket with USB there. A little kettle. Look, that's how big it is. Just accidentally put it on. Press the button. Is it clean? Yeah, looks quite clean. A little socket, you can switch it off there as well. And we've got cups, they're clean. Yeah, then you've got your milk, sweeteners, tea, Nescafe, coffee and decaf there. Your milks, bag stand there. And with a stool and a shelf, and also you got a table with a chair there. Yeah, it does move. Another plug socket there. You've got a comfy chair there. Then you've got hangers, towels up there, and also a gather if you want anything put in the laundry. Then you've got a bin. The carpet looks a bit quite stained there and there. And over here as well. It looks a little stained. But yeah. And also you've got a full length mirror there. So, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, got little cubby holes there, look. You got hairdryer. You've got an iron. You've got an ironing board. Quite clever. And then you've got a no plug socket there. Let's have a look at the bathroom, shall we? This is bathroom. And sink. A couple of glasses. And parsley stem, ham and a body wash. Never heard of that one. And you've got a three-way mirror, so you could check the back of your head as well. We've got some tissue. Oh, also, if you've forgotten something, supply with compliments, shaving cream, disposable razor, comb, toothbrush, cotton wool and sanitary products. Shaver's plug there, towel rail again, bin, and there's toilet behind, toilet tissue. See if the toilet's clean. Yeah, toilet's clean. Disposable bag there. And the shower. Looks a bit dark in here, to be honest. There's no light up there, so. But the shower head's clean. That's the main thing. And the shower looks clean. Got a few little marks there, but that's just wear. And then you got purple kale shampoo there. So the curtains clean, which is good. But yeah. Looks a bit burnt or something up there. Look, burnt or something. There's coat up there as well. But yeah, just remember to like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.